Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a small business haul as well as some winnings. And these winnings are from Veronica, VL Ballin 1. I think I said that right. I'll have her link down below. I won from the Citrus Punch Monday that was hosted by her, BLBL1, as well as So Good All. All right, so here is this adorable card that she created, and it was in this glassine bag or a vellum bag. It was really cute, and it says you're simply the zest. And I love this card. She has glitter here, the lemons are glittered, and so is the hugs. It's just so cute. I love this background die. Might have to pick that one up. And then she was just telling me thank you for supporting her channel, and she greatly appreciate it. And then she said I could use the card. Veronica, you could have signed the card because it's not going anywhere. So I really like that. It's super cute. And then these are the items that I won. Love these little clay bits. They're a nice size too. I really like that. And it's called fruit salad slices. Really cute. And then she sent me an extra bowl that I can use. And then this is the bag topper that she used. Really cute. See that little lemon on there? Adorable. And your sweetie inside and out. Love that. And then I also won this Elizabeth Craft set. It's called Just Because Sentiments. And I really like that. Love, if you know me, stamping is where I first started designing when I had my blog. And so I love to stamp. And so I'm so happy to have that. And I really, really, really like this. This is an adorable set. It's called Fruit Salad, and it's from Lawn Fawn. I absolutely love this set. And the gingham, and along with the fruit, it's just too cute. I love it. Hopefully you can see a little bit of that. Thank you so much, Veronica. I really appreciated everything that I won, and I love your channel. And hopefully you all will go over and subscribe to her channel. I'll leave her link down below, like I said before. On to the small business haul. Okay, so I went over to Cuttlemeclay Tay's flower shop and love what I picked out. I was so happy that she had some more of the little clay like baby breasts, and then she also made a new flower. But this is the free gift that she sent, and love these flowers. I have to still use them. I haven't used any of these yet, but I really like that. Super cute and great prices too. And then she had some more of these little baby breast clay bits, and so these were the red, and I picked all of those up. And then I went back over to her shop and purchased a little bit more because I noticed that she had some more of those baby breasts in different colors, so I just headed right over. And this time she sent this for my free gift. Adorable. Those are just too cute. And she also had these little flowers. Should have took those out the bag, but she had these little flowers. I want to say you get 27 little flowers or 20 little flowers, something like that. But I thought it was a nice number, and I got a mixture of the pack, and just so cute. There we go. You can see those. I love the tininess of those flowers, so I had to pick those up. So I got one of those. And like I said, great prices. And then here goes the other items she had. And I was so excited to see some more colors in there. So picked 3 of the purple up and 3 of the yellow up. I think I left one of each left in the store for somebody else to grab them. But I love those. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Oh, and I'll have the ladies' links down below along with Cuttlemeclay Tay's flower shop. So make sure you head over and get you some goodies from Cuttlemeclay Tay and visit Veronica. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day.